This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by checking the essentials. Make sure your PC runs a 64-bit OS and boots with UEFI rather than legacy BIOS. Once done, create a full disk image so you can recover if anything goes wrong, and set a UEFI administrator password to prevent accidental resets. Next, download the latest firmware from your motherboard maker and any vendor utilities. These steps reduce risk and prepare your system so enabling secure boot won't brick or block your existing bootloader. Now change UEFI options. Reboot into firmware and set boot mode to pure UEFI, disabling CSM or legacy support, because secure boot requires native UEFI. If your system disk is MBR, convert to GPT. Use MBR2 GPT/validate and /convert on Windows or a reliable tool on Linux, so the firmware can find the EFI partition. Make sure TPM is enabled in firmware and that the Windows Boot Manager is the primary EFI entry. Finally, enable Secure Boot in your UEFI and choose Standard Mode for the default Microsoft keys. Save and reboot. Once back in the OS, verify Secure Boot state in System Information or your distro's Secure Boot tool to confirm it reports enabled. If the machine refuses to boot, restore your image or use recovery media to revert settings. Alternatively, set Secure Boot to Custom and enroll the required platform keys or revert to previous firmware settings. This troubleshooting step usually resolves incompatibilities without losing data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.